What's up guys, this is Massey, welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find an equation of the tangent line to y equals to x times sine x at x equals to pi over 2. First thing I need to do, I need to find out the derivative of this function, which is x times sine x. Y prime, if I use the product rule, is going to be the derivative of the first one, which is going to be 1 times sine x plus x times the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x. So y prime is sine x plus x cosine x. Now x naught is pi over 2. We need to find y naught as well. We just sub it there. It's going to be sine pi over 2 plus pi over 2 times cosine pi over 2. So sine of pi over 2 is going to be 1 plus pi over 2 times cosine pi over 2 is 0. So it's going to be just 1. So y naught is 1. The equation of tangent line, the form of that, y equals to y naught plus m times x minus x naught. Y equals to y naught, that's 1, plus m, which is sine plus x cosine x. When you sub pi over 2, that's going to be, that's that one y prime here, which is 1. Y prime, I didn't calculate it. Y prime is going to be x sine x. It's going to be pi over 2 times sine pi over 2, which is going to be just pi over 2 because sine pi over 2 is 1. So this one was pi over 2 plus 1 times x minus pi over 2. So y equals to pi over 2 plus x minus pi over 2. These two cancels out and you're going to say y equals to x. That's the equation of line. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.